Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of print-on-demand businesses. This is Factfluence, and I'm here to show you how to launch your own pod store from scratch, completely free. What is print-on-demand? Imagine this. You design cool t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or whatever you like. People order them online, and a printing company creates and ships them directly to the customer. You never have to touch any inventory. Plus, profit margins are typically around 90%. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Step-by-step guide. Let's break it down into easy steps. Identify trending niches. Use free tools like Alora to analyze successful pod shops on Etsy. Check trends.pinterest.com and trends.google.com to discover what's hot. Choose your free resources. Grab my free print-on-demand starter blueprint linked in the description. It includes a habit tracker and a free pod operating system template to manage finances, designs, and resources. Select a print-on-demand supplier. I recommend Gelato because they ship products globally, ensuring faster delivery for your customers. I secured a sweet 50% discount for you. Just use the link in the description when signing up for free. Find your perfect niche, avoid randomness, target a specific audience with a shared interest or passion. Create a customer avatar. My free guide will help you define your ideal customer's demographics, desires, and motivations. This ensures every design resonates with them. Experiment with different designs. Don't be afraid to experiment. The blueprint has a design experiment tracker to record results and optimize your creations. Design your products. Free tools like Canva are great for design newbies. I also have a paid resource bundle with over 1 million pre-made designs in my free community. Check the link below. Free traffic generation strategies. Etsy listings. Before opening your own store, utilize Etsy's free listing program. Find referral links for 40 free listings by searching 40 listings for free on Etsy. Instagram marketing. Grow a faceless Instagram page targeting your niche. My guide includes prompts for bio description, story ideas, and engaging posts, all optimized with ChatGPT. Content marketing is, well, a powerful tool. Use ChatGPT to create compelling blog articles promoting your products. Then, publish them on platforms like Medium. This way, you can reach a wider audience and, drive more traffic to your store. Pinterest. Showcase your pod products by creating Pinterest pins that link directly to your Etsy shop. YouTube automation. My bonus guide, linked below, explains how to set up a faceless YouTube automation channel to drive traffic to your store, all for free. Building a successful business takes time and dedication, but with the right tools and strategies, your pod venture can blossom. Remember, consistency is key. I hope this video empowered you to take action. Leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Grab all the free resources mentioned in this video. The link is in the description. Join my free community for even more valuable resources. The link is in the description. Outro music.